Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am showing you how to make these eggless banana bread muffins. And these muffins have a surprise Nutella filling. They are super easy to make, so let's get straight into this recipe. The very first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Now here in a bowl I have taken two extremely ripe bananas. Now using my fork I'm just going to roughly mash these up. They don't have to be pulpy entirely. A few chunks here and there would be recommended. So in this now I'll add some yogurt or dahi, and then I am also going to add some milk. Now using my fork again, I'm just going to combine all of these three ingredients together until they look well combined. Into this now I'm going to add my leavening agents. So here I have some baking soda and baking powder. I'm also going to add some cinnamon powder because what's banana bread if there's no cinnamon powder in it? Using my fork again, I'm just going to combine everything together. And then I'm just going to let this mix sit at room temperature for about 2 to 3 minutes. It will start to get foamy and bubbly as the leavening agents will start reacting with the yogurt in this mix. As you can see, it has gone a little bubbly. You can see a few bubbles on the surface. It's perfect. We're going to start working with the rest of the recipe. Here I've added some all-purpose flour. To that I have added some castor sugar. And now I'm also going to add some edible oil. By the way guys, all the ingredients that I've used in this recipe are down in the description box below along with their quantities. So don't forget to check it out. Now using my whisk, I am just going to mix this until everything comes together. You do not want to overwork this batter here, just until the dry bits are not visible anymore. Now our muffin batter is ready. You could add some chopped walnuts in these as well. Just make sure that you use a tablespoon of flour to coat those walnuts so they are well distributed. I decided to skip that. Now I'm going to use my ice cream scoop and fill out the muffin batter in cupcake liners that I have lined on the cupcake tray. And I'm going to fill these about a little more than halfway through because we still have a Nutella filling to go in. Now I'm going to take a teaspoon's worth of Nutella. Now this Nutella is at room temperature. If yours is not as molten naturally, then I would recommend that you heat it in the microwave for a couple of seconds, about 30 seconds or so, until it goes nice and molten so that it's easier to handle. And place a dollop of the Nutella in the center of the muffin batter. And now using half a scoop of the muffin batter, we are going to cover the Nutella dollops with the rest of the batter. And the batter, well, it should be almost entirely full, almost to the brim. Now you could bake these directly right now. They're ready to go in the oven. But what I like to do is place slices of banana on the top, and then by now you know what my next step is probably going to be. That is sprinkling some brown sugar. What this does is it adds a crunch on the muffin top, and it also caramelizes the banana when it bakes in the oven. So now it's ready to go in the oven. I will bake these at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then I'll lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're going to let the muffins cool down for about 15-20 minutes. I like to eat these muffins when they're slightly warm because the Nutella inside is still a bit gooey and melting. So my Nutella stuffed banana muffins are all ready, and I cannot wait to show you what it looks like on the inside. There you go. It is absolutely glorious, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.